place that we are, it's a small town, just outskirts. There's some fields where orange is growing, and yeah, there is also the filter, muddy road that we can actually be sure that we can be here all alone.
Gorgeous beach.
Lots of fishermen, and also because now it's good weather during the winter time, they come here to enjoy the beach also.
Yeah.
Usually fishing.
I don't know if you can drive to the sand dunes. Some locals do, but there's
lots of people getting stuck also.
Yeah, so we did not do that. In some rules say that you cannot drive your van to the beach itself.
So we are here where it's nicely packed sand.
Yeah.
So not getting stuck like some guys.
Exactly. We did enjoy gorgeous few days here and not filming, and then everything started to go worse. Joni heard some rattling sound underneath our engine hood.
There was a mouse. Again.
Last time when we had a mice in Spain, they did so much damage that it costed over 1,000 euros to
repair it. And now, well, we popped the hood open and also put a light underneath our van.
We do not have any rodent repellent, so we just use the cinnamon, because I did Google that cinnamon might work. There's also like peppermint oil, but we don't have those. But I'm sorry, mice, if you are there, you need to go. So we will go to the store to buy some real repellents too.
Yeah, and well, there's always mice when you are surrounded by bushes or trees.
Living in the nature like we do every day.
So we take the risk that there is mice invasions on some days in our van. Actually, funny thing that actually on our LPG tank compartment there was a mice like 4 months ago. It has chewed actually those plastic caps over there. But they always find a way to get inside.
Yeah, because they can fit into the tiniest little hole. But luckily we have never ever have a mice inside of our van. Yeah. And let's talk about this little guy. You guys who have followed us for many years, you know that at first we traveled with the 2 doggies, and now we have been traveling with the Pulla. And Pulla is 16-year-old and he is ill.
Oh, he has been ill for past 2 years. He was diagnosed, what was the name?
Degenerative myelopathy. If you want to Google it, it's short for DM. And it's really horrible disease because there's no cure for it. It just means that your doggy will slowly paralyze from the back end to the head.
So usually it takes 1 to 3 years, and Pulla was given a couple of months of living time, and we decided that we will give him good retire years. And I think now it's time, because Pulla is losing his back feet completely, and also cannot control his bladder.
So he has started to piss himself, and we are not going to put diapers in our doggy or wheelchair. I know some people do that, but we want to give our doggy a dog life.
Yeah, so we have decided that we will go to the vet now, and Pulla will not continue travels with us. Yeah. This has been much easier because we have known for past 2 years that Pulla is not with us for a long time.
That this day will come.
So we have to just decide when it is, and we decided that when Pulla cannot actually pee outside
and does not want to walk anymore, then it's time to let him go. But it's so hard because his brains is still here and he is like puppy-like in a head.
Yeah.
So yeah, but good thing is like it's supposed to be totally pain-free.
So Pulla has actually had good retire days with us in Greece.
Yeah, we will go to talk to the vet now if our van starts.
Yeah, Pulla.
We did went to the vet and say goodbye to Pulla. Well, it's always hard to lose a family member. and Pulla fight back, so it was kind of awful. But the vet said that all the dogs go to the dumpsters in Greece, so we took Pulla with us. We are going to bury him
somewhere here. On this.
We found a really beautiful spot. There's a small chapel and mountains.
Yes.
Because Pulla was a mountain dog.
But it's good feeling that Pulla.
Now he can rest.
Yeah, it's hard, but we have actually had 2 years of time to
cope with the idea.
But now it's just 2 of us. It's strange.
Because we don't remember the time being just 2 of us here.
No. But yeah, there's some small chapel. We're gonna find some good spot to bury Pulla.
Bury him deep, so no other dogs or wild swines or any wildlife will
find him.
Yeah, now he can rest. This has been a very traumatizing day for us. But we are in the beautiful spot.
Yeah, that's true.
And now it's just 2 of us.
It's strange.
Yeah.
But now let's make the burial.
Yeah, let's find a good place where Pulla can sleep. That's the most ugliest grave ever. But Pulla doesn't care.